3 reasons why decentralization is beneficial. Vitalik also mentioned that why decentralization is beneficial to the blockchain at the political and architectural levels. First, good fault tolerance. Since the decentralized system relies on separate nodes, the decentralized system is unlikely to cause the whole system to fail because of the failure of some nodes. Fault tolerance is often explained by simple mathematical probability. The probability of a computer failure is clearly greater than the probability of a failure of 100 computers at the same time. For instance, putting 10 eggs in one basket and putting them in multiple baskets, which one is easier to break? So decentralization is also the way to diversify risks. Second, strong resistance to attack. Since the decentralized system lacks a sensitive central point and is spread across many nodes, the cost of attacking, destroying, or manipulating the decentralized system becomes higher. In general, the cases of attack and defense are asymmetrical in favor of the attacker. However, the leverage effect of an attack is usually sublinear. For example, if you would like to destroy a building that costs $10 million, you need to spend $100,000 to destroy, ratios of 1%, and to destroy a building that costs $1 million, perhaps only need $30,000 to destroy, ratios of 3%. Similarly, the lower the cost, the higher the ratios of destroys. Third, strong resistance to collusion. The leadership of centralized companies and the government has always colluded with each other in a way that is beneficial to them, harming less well-coordinated citizens, customers, employees, and the general public. It is harder for users in a decentralized system to collude and take advantage of the other users. Blockchain is based on the idea that every node can operate independently. Blockchain users believe that the blockchain is extremely secure because nobody can tamper with the rules of the protocol as they like, but if the development teams of the blockchain software and the protocol are from the same company or within the same location, then the blockchain is not that safe anymore. Therefore, it is difficult for its employees to collude with each other in a decentralized blockchain network, so it is safer. Decentralization allows us to grasp a part of the blockchain knowledge. In the next video, we'll explore the distributed ledger.